Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the virtual internship program which is provided by the Lululemon. And friend, it is a very good opportunity for college going students, working professionals and the freshers who want to make their career in the marketing field. And friend, you can see this type of sample certificate you will get after the completion of this virtual internship program. And friend, you can enroll in this virtual internship from any country, and we are going to check all the details, how you have to register, what types of things you will learn, and how you will get this type of certificates. So please watch the video complete. So let's start the video. So friend, you can see here we are at the official page of the Forage, who is providing this Lululemon omni-channel marketing virtual internship program. And friend, you can see here this virtual experience program is absolutely free, so you did not have to pay any money. And you can see here friend, this virtual experience program is free for the students, and it is also for the freshers and the working professionals, how we are going to discuss in the mid of the video. So you can see this program is a self-paced and it will take around 2 to 2.5 hours to complete this virtual experience. And friend, you will get the practical skills and experience from the Lululemon, and you can also use this work experience in your resume, or you can share it on your LinkedIn. And friend, so you have the question why you need to join this virtual experience program. So let's check first about this Lululemon company. So friend, you can see here Lululemon is an innovative performance apparel company for yoga, running, training and other athletic pursuits. And it has set the bar in technical fabrics and functional design, and they create a transformational products and experience that support people in moving, growing, connecting, and being well. And you can see here, friend, they owe success to their innovative products, commitment to their people, and the incredible connection we make in every community. So you can see, friend, they focus on creating a positive change to build a healthier, thriving future. And in particular, you can see that includes creating a equitable, inclusive and growth focused environment for their people. So you can see here this virtual experience program, you will experience how to build an integrated marketing plan. You will be hands on learning the product development, project management and digital transformation skills. So you can see here, other than this, you can see here a program you can complete all on your own time at your own pace anywhere. So because it is a self paced, so whenever you will get the time, whether it will be weekends or weekdays, you will complete, and you will get the certificate of completion from the Lululemon that can be used to show your new marketing skills. And you can see work experience to put you above your peers in the job search, and you will get the insights into whether Lululemon is a right workplace environment fit for you. You can see here, friend, a small video is given by the program manager from the Lululemon. So I will provide the link in the description box from where you can watch it. And they have given the small idea regarding this virtual internship program. So you can see here, we have discussed that what are the advantage and benefits of this virtual internship program. So let's check what types of things you will learn. So you can see here, friend, first module, that is developing an integrated marketing plan. So you have to discover what it's like to be part of the Lululemon creative team and experience building your first integrated marketing plan for one of the most recognizable and leading performance apparel brands. So you will get the practical skills and from the various tasks while you are working. Then you can see you can increase your various types of skills related to creative thinking, project management, strategic and analytical thinking, and you will also improve your written communication. So let's take the second module, friend. So you can see here in the second module you will learn digital transformation of the retail guest experience. So you have to discover what it's like to be part of the Lululemon creative team and experience pitching your first digital product strategy for one of the most recognizable and leading performance apparel brand. So you will learn digital transformation, how to do the product development and how you have to do the market research, user research, and what are the various types of strategic thinking, how to think for making the plannings, how to make the strategy. Then you can see what is the design thinking, how to write a very good communication skills. You can see written and visual communication, because they are the very important skills for the marketing. And you can see here it will take approximate 2 to 2.5 hours to complete. So friend, once you complete this virtual intensive program, you can see this type of certificates you will get. So you can see here on the top the logo of Lululemon is given. Then you can see your name will be given here, and below that you can see you will get the certificate of completion date, and what types of things you have learned will be given. And you can also see in the bottom of the certificates you will get the link. If anyone has a doubt, they can verify your certificates. So friend, this type of certificates you will get. So before going to check how you have to register, if you have not subscribed our channel Mechanical Stream yet, friend, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, virtual internship programs, then interview tips and job notification. And you can also explore our channel. You can see we have made the recently various types of internship topics, SAP courses, and mostly data analyst. So please explore our channel and complete the various types of courses, so that you will get the job easily, and you can also increase your skills. So friend, let's check how you have to register. So friend, once you open the link which I have given in the description box, once you open, this type of window will appear. So what you have to do, you have to simply click on this register now. Then friend, you have to click, once you click, then this type of window will come. So friend, you can see here, here two option is given, that is a sign up with email, then you can see login. So if you are new users for the Forage, then you can click on this sign up, and if you are having your login ID password, then you can directly log in. And if not, then you have to click on this sign up with email. So once you click, then this type of window will appear. So you can see friend, here a small application form is given. So you have to provide your details in this application form. You can see you have to write your first name, last name, you have to write your email address, then you have to create one password. And friend, in the starting of the video, I have raised the one question that you can see here. This virtual experience program is for the students. So friend, it is not for only for the students, it is also for the freshers and the college working professionals. So friend, if you are the working professionals or the fresher, you have to select the last option, that is a career. And if you are the student, then you can select the either a high school student or university or college going student. And after that friend, you have to answer a question that how did you hear about this. So you can select the any one options like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Google search, or any other social media platform. And after providing these details, you have to click on this register. And friend, once you click register, you will be registered in this virtual internship program. And after that friend, you have to complete it and get this type of certificates. And friend, if you feel any doubt or if you have any query, please comment in the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream. Thank you.